Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This one is for how to do these lovely gradient nails. I'll be using the Aurora Unicorn Powder like in my last video. I'm just going to speed through putting the white polish on, that's the first step. This is a white gel polish that I'm using and I will cure it for 30 seconds in my hybrid lamp. Okay, so now the white polish is on all of the fingers and I can clean the mess up that I've made. It's really hard trying to do this when you've got the camera filming as well. So I cured that for 30 seconds in my hybrid lamp and then I put this pink polish just on the bottom part of the nail. And then what I do next is I get this beautiful brush from Born Pretty, this Ombre Brush. It's got crystals in the centre of it, it's really gorgeous. This is the first time using this, so I really didn't know what to expect. So I just try and feather very, very lightly that line down the middle. Trying to break it up a little bit. And then when I'm happy with it, I cure it for 30 seconds. I wanted the bottom of the nail to look a bit darker, so I put some more of the pink on and then just tried to feather it up just so there wasn't a strong line. I forgot to mention I have got some kitchen paper next to the brush that you can't see off camera. I am cleaning the brush every time I use it. And now I'm just applying some more of the white right down to that line. And then I'm using the brush again just to feather the white into the pink so that it crosses over a little bit. And it gives you that nice gradient. I didn't get it exactly right, but it is my first go.
Here we go.
Okay, so I do the same process for all the rest of the nails. You don't need to see that. It took me absolutely ages to do this, but I think it gives a good effect. So it's almost time to put the unicorn powder on, but before we do that we have to put a no white top coat on. I like this one from Bluesky. It's really rubbery and the powder rubs into it really easily. So I put that on all of my fingers and cure it for only 30 seconds. You don't want it fully cured, so that it's easy to rub the powder into. Okay, so when I've done that, I just get a makeup sponge and I just rub a little bit of the powder into every nail. Just lightly with the sponge just to get it in there, and then I finish off with the silicone tool. And that helps me really rub it into the nail and gives it a really nice shiny look. I'm sorry about my voice on this video. I'm full of a cold, my throat is really sore and it's making my voice really croaky, so I'm sorry about that. Hopefully next time it'll have gone if my children don't pass anything else on to me. Okay, so when that's all done, I need to just clean up as best I can with my fluffy brush. And then after I've done that, I just apply a top coat on top to seal everything in. I like using this tempered one because it won't work with any of the powders. You can't rub anything into it, so I know it's not going to ruin my design. If I'm messing about with my nail stuff and I accidentally get some on my nail, it's not going to rub in and spoil this design. So then that gets cured for a full 60 seconds and then we're done.
Invincible.
Okay, so here is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I like doing it, even though it took so long to do. You can't really see on the video how shiny it is, but it is really gorgeous. I love it. I'd love to know what you think. Please tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.